One more just like this.
Yeah. So what you think?
What?
What do you think? Did it?
He'll have to tell you. They don't let me talk about this stuff. I do direct instructions a lot.
Yeah.
And everybody wants to know. Of course, if you're up there with me, you can see what I'm doing. But they're real.
You know if it passed or failed the brittle test up there?
It passed. I've never seen a 30-year shingle fail a brittle test. And I lifted it up way higher than it needed to be.
How high did you lift it up?
Well, every company has a different idea. You know, Allstate has this crazy thing they do where they lift 3 tabs on a 3-tab shingle, and somebody like auto owners or Farm Bureau or somebody like that has pieces of pipe that they put up there and roll the shingle up on the pipe.
Yeah.
But the principle is you want to be able to lift it high enough to get a crowbar under there and take the nails out without breaking the
Okay.
shingle.
How about raising it up high enough to get a nail gun at a 90 degree?
Well, if you're doing a repair, you don't have to use a nail gun, but I don't know. I mean, yeah. If you're trying to get a nail gun in there, you're probably going to break any shingle there is. But
or even a hammer, you got to swing it to 90 degrees.
no, you don't. I've done 1,000 roof repairs. I can get in there and they can drive a nail in. You know, if you got it up high enough, well, I won't argue about that, but everybody in the industry knows how that works.
Yeah.